Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make coconut rice. For that I have taken half cup of coconut grated. This I have put it in the mixer and just crushed it because I can't sit and grate it. So cut the pieces and put it in the mixer so that we can have the grated coconut like this. And half cup rice I have cooked with salt. Chana dal, half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon cumin seeds and red chilli 1 piece, half teaspoon Urid dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds, cashew nuts, curry leaves, hing powder and salt you need. The ghee is hot, around 2 teaspoon of ghee I have added to the kadai. When the mustard seeds splutters, add the chana dal, urad dal, curry leaves, add the cashew also. Roast the cashews till golden brown. Add the cumin seeds and the red chilli piece. Add hing powder a little bit. Now add the coconut. Saute this for a few seconds only. You can also use desiccated coconut, but if you use fresh coconut, that taste is different. Add the rice. The exact quantity required for this I will put it in the description box. Here I have taken less coconut because my daughter doesn't like much. That's why I have taken less. You can check the description box for the exact quantity. The coconut rice is ready. This is one of the Chitrannams made in household, South Indian household. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe and press the bell icon and all so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.